In this video, we are going to install Mictuning's S1 RGBW LED pod lights. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. 3-inch pods made of high quality heat treated aluminum. Power rating at 18 watts with 1951 lumens. They are nicely sealed, IP67 waterproof. These pod lights have RGBW ambient light, which is app controlled. It does have a nice plate over the LED beads so you don't see it directly. Gives it a nice diffuse soft look. Nice fin style heatsink to dissipate heat quickly. They do come with your wiring harness that has a built-in controller with an advanced chip from Broadcom for stable and faster connection. Has a built-in inline fuse. This is your positive line and your ground line with 2 switches. One for the ambient light and one for the light itself. Does come with a pair of mounting brackets for your light pods. First, we're gonna go ahead and mount the brackets on. Squeeze it into place and go ahead and screw it in. This is how it looks with the brackets on. Has a nice low profile. So I got the pods mounted using these mounting brackets. I'm gonna go ahead and leave the product link in the description below if you want to use these mounting brackets. They can swivel and you can adjust. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the wiring. So it does split into Y. I'm gonna use the longer section to the left just because I want the wiring, majority of the wiring, to be on the right side. Now we're gonna go ahead and plug the lights. You want to make sure this groove is aligned with the arrow right over here. Here's your rubber seal, and we're gonna go ahead and screw it tight. Now we're gonna go ahead and zip tie the wires so it's nice and clean. We're gonna go ahead and repeat that connection on the other side. So here's my ground and here's my positive. I'm gonna go ahead and connect it to my switch box. And I'm just gonna go ahead and hide all this wiring in the fender wall. I'm gonna leave the switches on. So it does work perfectly. So what I did was I wired the accent lighting to my welcome lights. So when I hit the alarm, it actually turns on. It also turns on when I open the doors. So here I downloaded the Mictuning app. This is the pod lights. And now we can control. You can choose any color you want. See how it has a fast response. Here is the color wheel. Yellow, blue, red, green. This is, you can control the brightness. Below the brightness, you can have the strobe function. And below the strobe function, you can have different settings. So this changes color. And you can also add your own preset. It does have a memory, so I leave mine at blue, so every time I turn on the car or open the door, it sticks to blue. And the top right would be your on and off. You can set to music, so now every time I talk, the light will turn on. If you haven't done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.